sound guy either.
I'm still here.
School comes out and you just
You are our sound lady.
We got it.
Sound gal, right there.
That's all right.
She's the main knob twister.
I don't know. Usually, like in the dinosaur one, there's like 14 different locations. It's just so cool in here.
We're excited that you took the time to come to our little backyard concert here. And we're the Mountain Ranch Band, and we're so happy to have some music you can listen to at home as well. This is sort of like the EP release party. So we're gonna get started here with a song called Feet from Running On. And just a song about how life can sometimes get away from you. You're so busy doing good things that sometimes you're doing so many good things you're not thinking about some of your long-term goals, some of the things you want to accomplish. And so coming out to the forest, heading out to the beach, things like that are a good way to slow things down and remember what life's all about. So hope you enjoy this song, Feet from Running On. Feel it in my soul. For burgers and hot dogs, if you like, and those are your own pickles, aren't they?
Pickled, yeah, pickled
She's
beans.
made some sweet. They're sweet, right? You like
There's
sweet
some
pickles.
sweet, there's some dill, there's some,
Oh, we got variety.
yeah. We got some onions, sweet pickled onions.
Maybe I'd see your face when the sun warms my skin, and if I didn't have my ears, maybe I'd hear your voice in the passing wind. Interesting sometimes how God can touch our lives and how he can speak to us without us being able to hear his audible voice. And so this is from the Gospel of John, where we hear the wind blows where it wishes and you hear the sound of it. And so it comes in many different ways. Where the wind blows. This is on the EP, so you can listen to it at home now. 2, 3, 4. Without my sight, never seen the bright sun rising, I wouldn't know what I'd be missing. But if I did, then I would want it back. She's always like way far away from me whenever we're doing music, because she has to sit down because she's playing the cello. We ordered her her cello that she can play like a guitar. She'll be getting that soon. But, so we can jam out together right here with Ellie. So, Evan, you know where this next song comes from? More or less? What, who got the whole life thrown overboard? Me? Yeah, that's true, that's true. Who else? This is a trick question. I didn't even tell him I was gonna do this. But it made a whole new life for us to lighten the load, and now we got way more stuff than we ever had before, so. Oh, don't you see that dove that flies from vine to vine, a mourning for his own true love, just as I have mourned for mine. Farewell, farewell. Throwing my life overboard, the best thing I ever did. I don't get to sing opera anymore, so every now and then I gotta have some fun. All right, Jesus is Good is the name of this next one, and it came from the mind of young Andrew over here. So he was singing the chorus. He wrote it himself, and he was wandering around singing it and loving it, and I was loving it too. How'd you get this song? Tell us about this song, Andrew. Just sort of hit you like a ton of bricks?
I guess it was the first song I wrote. I was like, Dad's writing all these songs. Everyone's kind of like making some songs, so I better write one.
There you go, peer pressure. Everybody's doing it. Everybody's writing songs, man. Where's your song? So I added a couple little things just because I wanted to be involved, you know. That's how good dads are. This song's called Pulling You Through, and I don't know how to introduce it yet because I've never introduced it before. So, what is this song about? This song is supposed to be just a little bit tongue-in-cheek. I think sometimes we have our priorities upside down. So, you know, things that maybe people consider to be low class or not that cool. I kind of like them sometimes, sort of, because I consider myself somewhat of a redneck, so that's in there. And I love gardening. We have some gardeners out here, I know. So the opening lyric is, "I'd rather have a green thumb than a green back." So that's kind of the idea. All right. Rather have a green thumb than a green back. I'd rather take a back road than a fast track.
last night, I planned that I was going to do all of these things today, and I didn't do them. So, just sort of, I guess it's sort of a wake-up call to me. Say I didn't do all the things that I planned to do, but I can dream about doing them when I'm in bed, and then I'll see if it actually works out the next day. But yeah, that's what it's about. With some other things woven in, I suppose.
And secrets that he's not going to tell you about. 'Cause that's what songs have, like poems. All right.
Let me bonk this mic real quick.
Do it. Drop the mic, Jamin.
As good. Night is a time for dreaming. Tomorrow's day may rise, but when the sun is beaming, and harvest their perfect rose streaming to a clean place for the year. Night is a time for dreaming.
Oh, over on Bonaventure. Yes. Yes, Bonaventure. Castle Rock as well. Yeah, Castle Rock is so. We went down there for breakfast. And this in 10 years. We've been here for 10 years. It has. You know, if I had grown up in Castle Rock was.
Get those views up there, and we're gonna have a couple videos too. At the last time we played at the festival, there's a young man from the Harder family down the road, and he's into production, so he did a couple videos at our yurt. So stay tuned. Supposedly end of September or something like that, there'll be a couple more songs that you can watch on the website. So that's mountainranchband.com. Thanks, folks. God bless you and have a great night.
Big shout out to Mountain Ranch Band.
Thank you so much, Laura, for everything you do for the schoolhouse
Thank you.
and hosting. It's lots of work.
Well, I do want to let everyone know a couple updates on the schoolhouse. We got our valuation back on the property, and last week we communicated to the lawyer that he has our permissions to negotiate with the neighbors to ask to purchase the half acre. Now he's saying that might take a while because of their back and forth negotiations, but we are on the next step towards getting the half acre and resolving our issue, I hope this year. So I just wanted to let everyone know that. And it's a lot, thank you all for your contributions that help us move closer to that resolution. So if you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for touring the schoolhouse, supporting the schoolhouse. Thank you guys for supporting the schoolhouse. Yes. This is awesome, and I love you guys. So
We love you.
thank you so much. Let me know if you have any other questions.